Can I ask you a question? Why did you choose me? Why are you my client? What made you pick me? This is one of the most critical questions in business that I don't think enough estheticians are asking. And it can help take your business to the next level. Let me tell you why. If you don't know me, hopefully you know me. Not today. Today. Ahora. What's up? This is your boy Wick. Wake. Shut up. All right. Here's the deal. Like so many times we think we have a solution. I cannot tell you how many times I have thought of an idea that I thought was genius. Genius. I'm like, damn, Wick, outdone yourself this time. Ooh, crash, burn, destruction. Right, just all bad. But more importantly, it's not that's just me. But a lot of times I might have a misconception of why do people follow me? In fact, why do you listen to me? Why are you listening to this video right here, right? Hopefully it's because of something good, or then, this is a good question for me to ask you, why in God's green earth do you follow me? Why do you listen to me talk and give advice and all this other good stuff? Whatever, right? But more important than that is to do the same with your clients, because what can happen is you might think you know why a client comes to you, right? But have you ever asked them? You can ask for a review. Hey, give me a review. They're like, oh, Sarah's great, and she gives a great relaxing facial, and Sarah's so thorough, right? But one thing, and this is my challenge for you today, is literally text your client, text. Don't send out, don't whatever, just don't put it on social media. Hey, why are you my client? Make it intimate, make it personal. There's not enough personalization out there. And I truly believe if you can do that for the clients that you have, it will be insightful. Plus, it'd be interesting to know anyways. And be something like, hey, Sarah, first of all, thank you so much for being an amazing client and a friend or whatever. Truly appreciate you. Just had a quick question I was hoping you could help me out with. Why did you choose me? Why did you choose me? Why do you continue to come to me? Right? And the answer is what you want to know. The truth, like, why is this person coming to you? What made them choose you and then stay with you? Let them answer it. Be like, Sarah, what are some of the reasons that come to your mind when you come? Why did you pick me? Right? And that information is critical because so many times they will say something that totally hit us out of the blue. Maybe there's something that you do that for you is just common, general, but it's something that they never experienced before. It's so odd that what we consider common practice and knowledge, and you just do it because you're doing it because that's just who you are, but it may not be that common. And that is the most interesting part, is so many times we live our life and we're just so used to doing things this way. And we're like, doesn't everybody do it this way? And you will be so surprised when you realize not everybody does it that way. That is not common. You actually do something that is different and that this person appreciates. And man, now you can talk about that a little bit more, because the more you realize why people are picking you and choosing you and continuing with you, the more you can be like, oh my God, I didn't know that. I didn't realize that. And that's more information you can share. A lot of people pick me not because of the results, not because they trust me and they feel they can be open with me, but they also pick me because I am always on time. I am there early to make sure everything is set up. I know your time is valuable when you come in. I know you're taking time out of your busy day to get this, acne treatment or whatever it is. and I value you. So I make sure I'm there early. I make sure I'm thorough. I make sure I answer any questions. And that is why many of my clients choose to work with me. So I hope if you are somebody that's busy and maybe in the past, some people just took too long with me, you are in, you are out, and you are beautiful. Well, I don't know, whatever, right? Blah, blah, blah. But that's my challenge for you today is reach out to your clients, some of your best clients or people that you're working with or people that just booked with you and go, let me ask you a question. Why did you choose me? And there you go. Boom. Keep it short, keep it simple. And I am actually very interested in the answers myself. Why did your clients choose you? So put that in the comments below. My challenge, do it. This is so simple. It's free. It's easy. Go through your clients, text them. Some will respond, some won't respond. It doesn't matter. But this is information that it's an additional touch point for your client. So it's kind of like a follow-up. Not enough people are following up. I'm telling you this, 99% of esthetician follow-up sucks. So don't be part of that 1%. And this is just another touch point of your clients that you care and you finding out what you're doing right for them so you can do more of it, right? So do that, reach out to your clients, put it in there, and then in these comments below, let me know what are people saying about you, why did they choose you, and that way and I know, so we know, so we grow. Okay, that's all I got. Be amazing because it pays so well. Feliz Navidad. Peace.